In this lecture, we will discuss regular false method, or it is also called as false position method. Let f of x is equal to 0 be the given equation. In first step, we will find 2 points a and b such that f of a and f of b are of opposite sign, as usually in bisection method. But in bisection method, the first approximation is x1 is equal to a plus b by 2. Here, the approximation formula is, for regular false method, x1 is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. You can write the formula as, you can begin with b into f of a minus a into f of b divided by f of a minus f of b. Since the root lies in between a and b, it begins with a or b. So a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a, or b into f of a minus a into f of b divided by f of a minus f of b. Now we will calculate f of x1. This f of x1 may be positive or negative when compared with the f of a and f of b. If f of a, f of x1 are of opposite sign, then we say that the root lies in between a and x1. So the next approximation x2 is equal to, since the root lies in between a and x1, if you begin with the formula x1 into f of a minus a into f of x1 divided by f of a minus f of x1, or you can write it as a into f of x1 minus x1 into f of a divided by f of x1 minus f of a. Otherwise, or if f of x1, f of b are of opposite signs, then x2 is equal to the next approximation. In place of this, you can write it, since the root lies in between x1 and b, you can write this formula x1 into f of b minus b into f of x1 divided by f of b minus x1 f of x1. So in general xn plus 1 is equal to, the previous two approximations are xn and the previous approximation is xn minus 1. If the functional values are of opposite sign and the root lies in between xn minus 1 and xn, then the next approximation xn plus 1 is equal to xn into f of xn minus 1 minus xn minus 1 into f of xn divided by f of xn minus 1 f of xn. If suppose the root lies in between x2 and x5, the next approximation x6, since the root lies in between x2 and x5, then the functional values are of opposite signs. Then the approximation x6 is equal to, you can write it as x6 is equal to x2 into f of x5 minus x5 into f of x2 divided by f of x5 minus f of x2. Okay, so in this way we can write the formula to find the approximation values. Now we will solve a simple problem, a third degree equation. So find a root of x cube minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0 using regular false method, correct up to 4 decimal places. So to find this one, first we will take the left hand side part, that is x cube minus 5x plus 1 is taken as f of x. First you have to find 2 points a and b such that the functional values are of opposite sign. To enter it in the calculator, first we will enter the equation in the calculator as alpha closed bracket, that will give x, so it is x cube, so cube minus 5 into alpha closed bracket gives x cube minus 5x plus 1. Now press cal C. If you give x is equal to 0, it is a positive value, that is f of 0 is equal to 1. If you give x is equal to 1, it is a negative value, f of n is equal to minus 3. If you give x2 is equal to 2, it is minus 1, it is a negative value. If you give x is equal to 3, it is a positive value, f of 3 is 13. That means at f of 0, at 0, the function value is negative, the function value is positive, At 1 it is the negative, so the root lies in between 0 and 1, and in between 1 and 2 f of 1 f of 2 are of negative signs or of negative signs, so the root doesn't lies in between 1 and 2. Since f of 2 and f of 3 are of opposite signs, the root lies in between 2 and 3. So you can find a root in between 0 and 1, or you can find a root in between 2 and 3. So whatever the root, you have to find correct up to 4 decimal places. Now here we are trying to find the root in between 2 and 3. So f of 2 is minus 1 and f of 3 is 13 greater than 0. So since the root lies in between a and b, the regular-Falsy method is x1 is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. So that is equal to 2 into f of b is 13 minus 3 into minus 1 divided by f of b is 13 minus of minus 1. To enter this in the calculator, you have to follow this step. You have to keep the numerator in the parenthesis divided by, and you must have to keep the denominator in the parenthesis. Okay, so on entering this in the calculator as it is, you will get the value 2.0714, and you have to calculate the function value. So to calculate the function value at the point 2.0714, you have to enter like this: x cube means here x is 2.0714 cap 3 minus 5 into 2.0714 plus 1. So this gives the function value f of x1. Since it is negative, we will cancel the previous negative value, and the root lies in between b and x1. Since f of b and f of x1 are of opposite signs, the root lies in between b and x1. Now the second approximation x2 is equal to, since the root lies in between b and x1, I will begin the formula with x1 into f of b minus b into f of x1 divided by f of b minus f of x1. So on entering these values in calculator like this, so you will get the value 2.1037. So here the value, so here is the calculation. You have to enter this in your calculator. You will get the value 2.1037. So in the same way, you have to enter the value in the given equation x cube minus 5x plus 1. You will get the function value. So on continuing the procedure as usual in bisection method. So I am showing the results, the approximation values and the function values. So let us pause the video and try to solve the calculations. So you will get at a 10th approximation, x9 and x10 are equal. Since two successive approximations are equal, we stop the procedure. The root of the equation is x is equal to 2.1283. Thank you.